From record-breaking attendance to a winning championship, the Savannah Bananas had a lot to be proud of last year.
Over 4,000 on hand to take in the phenomenon that is Savannah Bananas baseball.
And that crazy guy in the yellow tuxedo is gearing up to entertain a sold-out crowd of baseball fans.
When I first started in the industry, most people would say we were in the baseball industry, but we realized very quickly we were in the entertainment industry, and more specifically, we were in the fan-first experience industry. We had to focus on how to put the fans first to win, and it's a serious problem. People are focused so much on their own growth, their own revenue. They don't put their focus on their customers and how to turn them into fans. When you turn your customers into fans, they do all the marketing for you. They are telling everyone about you, and you create a remarkable experience where that is what wins in the end. When I was 23 years old and I took over the Gastonia Grizzlies, I realized there was a serious problem. As I was out meeting with the community, I heard the same things over and over again, that baseball is too long, too slow, too boring. They don't want to come to the games. And I realized immediately that there's some serious friction points in the experience. And when you start looking at those friction points, that's the starting point for all innovation. All right, what are the problems that your customers are having? What are the challenges that they're having, and how do you fix those? And so that's how we started creating our experience. And we realized when you start everything with your customer, and how do you turn them into fans? That's when you can have a business that endures for many years. The win started happening when we started looking at every single touch point. From when the fans first buy tickets, from when they come out to the ballpark, the first thing they see, the first impression, to how they are greeted in the stadium, to the last impression once they leave. We had to map the entire experience. You can't leave this just to chance. You can't just hope that your customers are going to talk about you. You have to create something remarkable that they're going to want to talk about you. And it starts by looking at every single touch point and looking at what are those friction points, what are those frustrations, and doing the exact opposite. Well, we realized if you're doing things like everyone else, you're going to get results like everyone else. Hey, we started out as marketers. We were marketing like everyone else, but we got results like everyone else. Normal gets normal results. So it wasn't until we started saying, you know what, let's create attention. Let's do things differently. Let's go all in on this experience. So if you're a person listening to this, if you're a marketer that's listening and say, what do I do? All right, start at the beginning and put yourself in your customer's shoes. How do you want to be treated? How do you want that experience to go? What's going to make you leave that experience and tell everyone about it? In this course, you're going to learn how to make your customers cry, and not sad tears, but what we like to call happy tears. You're going to learn how to make the customer experience fun and be able to give your whole team purpose in what they're doing to create an amazing experience. In this course, you're going to learn how to transform your business and turn your customers into fans. You're going to learn how to make your customers so passionate about what you do that they rave to everyone about your experience. In this course, you're going to realize that your best marketers are your fans. But how do you create those fans? I'm Jesse Cole, and I'm the owner of the Savannah Bananas, and this is Fans First by MarketScale.